I'm Dr. Todd Snyder. I'm a cosmetic dentist practicing in Laguna Niguel, California and Las Vegas, Nevada. Been practicing for over 30 years in cosmetic dentistry and lecturing around the world on the subject. I think my earliest recollection of being interested in doing dentistry was when I was a teenager having braces. Seeing how the dentist was able to run his own business, he obviously made a very good income, so all of that sounded appealing to me. I graduated from the UCLA School of Dentistry in 1994, and I then went on to help co-direct and co-develop the first and only 2-year cosmetic and restorative graduate program. I then opened my own private practice in 2000 in Laguna Niguel, California. So as you can see, we're here in my new office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a very unique office in the sense that we implement all kinds of software, AI, and new technology. As you can see, it's also a single dental chair, which is kind of unheard of in dentistry, but we're providing a cosmetic concierge type of dental service where we only see one patient at a time and focus all of our attention on that individual with no constraints. So my first impression, having used the BISCO Choice 2 Starter Kit, was basically consistent with what I've experienced my whole career, as I've been using the product for probably the last 20, 30 years. To see that they revamped it, made it look even more amazing, put everything in one kit to make it simple, but yet my tried and true amazing products that I've been used to using are still there. For me to have everything in one place, to simplify my practice, my business, to make it easy and efficient, very happy to see they've done that. You know, having done this for 30 years now, I've got cases that are 30 years old that still look as amazing as they did on day one. And that's a testament to BISCO's adhesive technologies and their Choice 2 cement. They've had an incredible product and they stand by it. So the bonding system is amazing, and I'm a testament to that because I've got cases that are 25, 30 years old that are still doing amazing. The flexibility of the BISCO Choice 2 resin cement system for veneers is unique in that they have a translucent, which I personally use about 99% of the time, allowing most of the color to come from the ceramic and the underlying tooth structure. But there's occasions where we have to modify color. And so to have a milky bright allows us to give the color a little pop, a little bit whiter. We have the ability to modify color on the fly as we see it in the mouth real time, as opposed to having to send something back to the lab and modify or redo, which takes more time and effort. To have flexibility to put it all in on the same day with different shades is a really great touch. The resin itself isn't too thick, but it's just the right viscosity, so I get complete coverage with no bubbles with ease. I'd recommend the BISCO Choice 2 Starter Kit to all my colleagues because of the fact that it has simplified placing veneers. It has everything you need from start to finish to make it as seamless as possible for you to deliver amazing results every time.